Are you a blonde who is wanting to brighten up your natural hair, but worried how the purple shampoo might affect your extensions? Keep watching. I'm going to share with you some easy tips and tricks on how to tone your extensions using purple shampoo. Extensions are very porous and similar to blonde hair, will grab the shampoo if the shampoo is applied and left on too long. Start by filling up your tub with hot water. Next, take the purple shampoo. This is Fanola No Yellow Purple Shampoo. If your hair is really brassy and more of an orange tone, I would recommend putting the shampoo on directly to your hair. However, because we're living in the blonde and yellow family, I'm going to dip the hair extensions into the purple water until the desired result is achieved. Dip the hair extensions into the purple water. These are Hidden Crown Halo extensions, and as you can see, they are nice and full from the root to tip. I love these extensions because they are double drawn human hair and the quality is amazing. Make sure to keep the ends out as they are generally more porous and will grab the purple shampoo or toner more quickly. As you can tell, the blonde has already picked it up pretty quickly, but we're going to go in a little longer, especially at the top, just because there are a little bit of a darker shade of blonde in there. So we're going to let it tone for just a little longer. Purple shampoo is just one way to tone hair extensions. You can typically darken hair extensions within 1 to 2 levels of the shade that they are currently at. Lightening hair extensions, however, is not recommended. Purple shampoo only will work on extensions that are in the blonde to yellow family. Using my go-to for clean, shiny hair, Colorwow Color Security Shampoo, rinse and lather the extensions from mid-shaft to ends, and make sure to really give everything a nice clean scrub so that way that the residue and any buildup is removed. Oh, the purple shampoo definitely grabbed on some of these blonde pieces and really cooled them off quite a bit, so that's nice. Look at the suds that we're getting in the shampoo. It smells amazing. Can't wait to see what this looks like. Only through the ends. I'm gonna come through and spray them with the Colorwow Dream Coat. This is amazing for all types of extensions. It's really gonna give them a super, super shiny, lightweight, frizz-free blow dry, which is amazing. But even though these extensions have been worn and they're not brand new, the Dream Coat is gonna make them look brand new.